So, Julia, first of all, you want to follow mirror technique. Okay, come on, Mowshi. I just have no time in my head. I'm too busy with my works, and above all, I want to practice English. But I couldn't practice English because my works and my time were dead. So you have time so you could practice English, that's why, so I couldn't do that. And Julia, there is no excuse. You have much time. You have 24 hours in your hand. And there's no excuse you could learn English in your work. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to learn English with your works and within your busy works. Let's get started. Oh, hello there. Today's video, as I told Julia, that today I'm going to give a busy person guide to master fast English. Okay, fast English? What? Yes, master quickly and fastly in English within your works, within your daily tasks and works. And this video is a requested video and many people asked me this question, so I made this video and decided. And before days ago, I uploaded a video of idioms, so I'll upload self-content and conversation video too, so keep watching till the very end until I tell you the secret and bonus tip with my experience. So let's get on to the video. So the first tip is podcasts in work. Podcast in work. What it is? Podcast in work, it means when you do some workout, when you do yoga or anything, listen to English podcast. What it is? Because when you listen to English podcasts, it's build up your listening skills and speaking skills at the same time. It's focused on the brain, language skills growth, and everything in English. So how could you do that? Suppose you go to the gym every day and you could put on your headphones and listen to your favorite podcasts. And podcasts help me to learn my English very well because listening skills help you at the same time with the speaking skills. So follow this tip. Number second, audiobooks in work. Audiobooks in work. I tell you to listen songs, but at the same time, I have to listen to audiobooks. Like you're doing something, you're working on your house, or you're painting something, you're doing some artistic work. If you're not a book lover, you don't love to read books, but if to listen to songs, then replace it with audiobooks. Because books have lots of vocabulary, sentences, and keywords to help you to learn English. So must follow this tip, because I followed this tip, and in beginner stage, I learned English very well. Family learning. Family learning. What family learning means? Family learning aims to engage the other members to learn any particular skills or English language. What it would be. If you have kids, if you have parents, if you have grandparents or grandchildren, engage them to learn English. Like you're watching a video, tell your kids or tell your parents to watch it. Or you're watching an English learning movie, just tell your parents or anything to watch that movie and tell them to engage with you and build a competition with your family members and relatives. That will help you to learn English anyhow. Nightly reading. Nightly reading. What means nightly reading? I'm a book lover. Again, I'm going to tell you that. Because when in night, subconscious mind in an alpha level. In that alpha level, brain could catch up anything and everything we want. Everything we visualize, everything we read, everything we capture in mind, this type of thing. So you could listen to sleep time or bedtime stories, or you could just have a book, and the book you love that should be particularly in English, of course, and to read this book at nighttime. When you fall asleep, at that time you have to read the book. Anyhow, that will help you to learn English very particularly and keep engaged to your goals. If you like this video, please press the like button because it let me know that how many people like this video, and I'll make more spoken English content if you like this video. And you could share it with your family and friends to build a competition with them, as I tell in another tip. And if you like this video and you want to get more, please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to press the bell icon thing. And also comment down below how you like that video. If you have any suggestion for me, you can also tell in this video. Or if you have any comment, any suggestion for that time, you could comment down below. And of course, keep learning, keep practicing. Bye bye.